today.
Alrighty.
Okay, so first line will be for you.
Let's see. ところが城の角を曲がれません。ところが, so by the way, so she couldn't turn around the corner of the castle.
Mm-hmm.
I guess Tokoroga is not exactly by the way here,
Yeah,
but
it's just like the previous sentence gave us some information, and it's against what you would probably like assume, right? So it looks like
right.
Sophie, she went to the left, and it looks like she's able to get a little bit closer, but she also wasn't able to go across the thing. So it just kind of, you're right, it's not like by the way as a translation. It's just saying like, it's like unlike what one would expect is kind of what the phrase is saying.
Okay.
Because it's like but ga, and then tokoro, which just means place and time. So but at the
Yep.
current place and time.
Ah, there we are. Okay.
デコボコの黒い隅石のあたりまで来ると、またもや透明な壁が行く手を塞いでいるのです。And I'm just going to double check that we haven't read this full page yet already. Yeah, it looks like we already read this. So we're on the next page, maybe? Akete. Okay, this is where we are.
Let's see.
Well, this is why I screenshot. 'Cause sometimes things don't say. Akete, open it up. Um,
Oh, right.
Tobura wa
Okay.
naigawa e hirakimashita. And then the door opened inwardly. Ga, shiro wa mada yoko e ugoite imasu. However, the castle was still moving forward or sideways, like whatever. It just is saying it's moving horizontally. And the next line will be for you again.
Right. Sophie は夢中で足を引きずり、なんとか、片足を外階段に乗せました。Is it 外階段 or 外階段? 外
I
階段,
don't know.
I could see it going either way, but
Yeah.
let's see. So Sophie was 夢中で足を引きずり、なんとか片足. Okay, so she's it is something. Dang it. All right. Um, let's see. Hikisuri. Hikisuri.
Well, hiku, right, is to pull, and zuri's like that dragging sound. So hikizuri is
Oh,
like
okay.
the.
So she's deep concentration, like dragging her feet.
Mm-hmm.
I guess she's trying to climb up the outside stairs. Kataashi, like with just one foot?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Um, you added things that weren't in the sentence, right? It just says,
Oh,
oh, actually, I guess you did. It just doesn't say upstairs. Like there is like the outer stairs here. So, I guess in this context, if you remember from the movie, might be the way to do it. Um, we have like the door with the stairs, right? But this is like up above the ground a little bit,
right.
with Sophie being over here. And the door opens up, so she's allowed to enter now, but the castle is still moving,
She's not
right?
on the stairs yet. Okay.
Exactly. So that's what it's saying. So that's why she just manages somehow, nantoka, to get one of her
To
legs
get like
onto
one
there.
foot onto the stairs. I see. Okay.
Exactly. 一段ずっと、あ、ず、ず、ず、ずっとび上がり、よし、4時登り、また飛び上がりました。Um, oh, okay.
What?
Sorry. See, when you split, I wish you had kanji here. Tobiagari.
Yeah.
So for each step, it flies upwards, right? Climbing upward in height before once again jumping. So it, よじ登り。Um, Basically, it's saying that Sophie's like jumping up onto the staircase, basically, or trying to one step at a time.
Oh, Toby Agati. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, the jumping and clambering up. Um,
Okay.
and wow, next paragraph. Wait, never mind. It's a sentence. Next sentence for you.
Okay. その間ずっと城は徐々に速度を上げながら、something.
I think it's oki, because sometimes, like like those compound words.
うん。Okay.
I'm wrong
Uh,
though. You're right, ki. So kifuku,
something. You what?
kifuku, which means ups and downs.
Kifuku. Okay.
Oh,
起伏のあ
funnily
るお
enough,
か
I
げ。
am right. It could be oki, okifuku, but in that case, it'd be okifuki seat. So both are possible.
Naturally. No. What was that? 中腹、
Hmm.
を移動していました。Okay, so, その間、so, during that time, the whole time, the castle was, uh, is JoJo steadily?
Yeah.
Okay, so it was steadily like upping the speed, like getting faster. Or while it was increasing the speed, I should say.
Hmm.
Let's see. Kifuku. So yeah, right, you said ups and downs. So no, aru oka no. Oh, so it's like going up and like over like hills and stuff.
I think Chufuku is halfway up the hill, just saying like how far it's moved up.
That would
Yeah.
make sense.
But it can
Let's
be
see.
used to refer to a mountain, but Oka is probably just hill. It'd be Yama.
Okay, so if it's ups and downs, then that's probably referring to like the steps that it's taking,
Yes.
like the castle is going up and down while it's steadily climbing the hill.
Yeah. And this made me want to like
Okay.
retranslate this line. What's going on is that she's clambering up the thing, but when she's going up, the castle art's moving, and then it causes her to like fly up in the air. Tokyo Gari.
Oh, I
And
see.
then she lands back on, climbs up a step, then goes whoop. That's that's what it's
So she's having a
describing.
rough time.
She's having a major tough
Okay.
time.
All right, that makes sense. Yeah.
それにつれて扉を込んでいる黒い大きな石がますますガタガタ揺れました。Um, on top of that, there was this black stone that is just fully engulfing the door, and it seems to be shaking more and more and more. It's going gata gata. Next paragraph for you.
Alright 白が歪んで見えるのも不思議ではありません。この場でバラバラにならない方が驚きです。Let's see. のも不思議。Okay, so it wasn't strange that the castle was looked distorted.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Not used to seeing that for like an actual building. この場で、あ、この場でバラバラにならない。So she would have rather been surprised if it didn't look like loose or
Because
scattered.
yeah, so it not to look, it's to become.
Ah, right.
which makes more sense in the context. So the house, right, looks really weird looking. So it makes sense that the castle is like weirdly warped around, she's basically saying, because the castle
Yeah.
looks like it should be just fully collapsed, like the final scene in the movie. As you,
She's because at this point she has no idea what's holding it together, right?
yep, just wishes, I guess. 白をこんな風に動かすなんてバカみたい. Man, it just is so idiotic looking to see like this castle move like this. Like it doesn't look like it should move like this at all. Sophie は大きく、喘ぎながら、やっと城の中に、体を入れました。Sophie, while breathing very heavily, she manages to finally enter into the castle. And next line for you.
扉が開いたままなので、揺れた拍子にまた外へ振り落とされます。落とされまいと、杖を放り出し、しばらく扉にしがみついていました。There's some words here that I don't know.
Mm.
So she left the door open, or the door was just stayed open. 揺れた拍子.
This means like the moment in this context.
Right, but 揺れた.
Yureru? That's to shake, to rock.
I do tend to forget this one. Okay. So, um, okay, give me a minute. Let's see. Mata soto e furito. Oh, I see. Okay, so it's still shaking and she didn't want to like, fall out. Um, so in order to not do that, she is doing something with her walking stick.
Hmm.
Horidashi
Yeah.
is like, yeah, I don't know.
It's definitely weird because horu, right, is to throw something and dasu is
Yeah,
to make something appear. So it says she throws out her stick. But I guess theoretically the throw doesn't necessarily
like
mean you let go of the object. So basically she whipped her
so she's
hand
using it to like hook herself onto something.
exactly so that she can
Okay.
shigamitsuku.
All right. And then soon, let's see. Oh, I don't actually know it's Shigamitsu either.
Mm, that's like the cling.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So for
So she's
now rather
finally
than
hauled
soon.
herself up to the door so she can like hold on to the door, right?
Yeah, I think she's using the stick to do that. But
Okay.
maybe not. But yeah, she's clinging to the door for now because she doesn't want to get thrown out the building. 息を切りが収まると、目の前の人影に気づきました。So once she was able to calm down her breathing, she noticed the fact that there was someone that she could see right in front of her. その、人物も扉を押さえています。That person or thing is also leaning against the door. ソフィーより頭一つだけ高いのですが、まだほんの若そうです。This person right here was still only like a full head shorter than Sophie, but this person right here, oh sorry, it's the opposite. They are a full head taller than Sophie, but they still look quite young, whoever this person is. Um, マーサより少し年上というところでしょ? He looked like he might be a little bit older than Marsa. That's about the age she put him at. And then the next line will be for you.
ソフィを締め出そうとしています。目の前の温かいランプの灯った炎 明るい部屋から、夜の、どうぞ、都会あ、押し出そうというのです。Let's see.
I've
So,
never heard shimidasu, which is to lock someone out.
yep, that's new for me too. Okay. So, it looks like he intended to lock Sophie out. Um, so in front of her eyes, let's see, the worm, so the lamp. Is that like lamp lit? Because tomota is to light, right? So lamp lit,
Yeah,
maybe. Um,
because it's we still
but
got
it
a
says a
relative
fire.
clause. So it's a heya that's akarui,
Yeah.
akarui in a hono kind of way because of the motta ramp.
Okay, I'm missing Hono because this isn't the fire Hono. This is a different
Oh, this
one.
is like a little bit.
Okay. So, all right. So we've got a bright room or a little bright room.
Hmm.
So,
The room
uh,
is bright, but not very bright, so slightly bright.
okay.
I guess the dim
So
room.
slightly. Yeah, I'm like, okay. So, so dim lamp lit room. Okay, so and it's in front of her eyes. So, let's see. Kara. I'm gonna have to retranslate this sentence. This is messy. Okay, so let's see. So one more time. Um, so he it looked like he intended to push her out of the the warm, dimly lit by lamplight room into the what? Just outside.
Hmm.
Oh, right, the night. Okay, so the yeah, outside at night.
Yep. So rude, this young man. ちょいと私を締め出そうなんて生意気じゃない。Hey, it's quite impotent of you to try shutting me out like that. そうじゃありません。扉が開けっぱなしだから、相手は言い返しました。何かご用ですか？ No, it's not that at all. It's just, I can't just leave the door open. The person across from her responds. Anyway, do you have something, like something you need me for? What's your business?
ソフィーは少年の肩越しに中の様子を伺いました。So she what I'm guessing she pushed past his shoulder or something. I don't actually know what that is.
Maybe that's possible. I was thinking it was saying she was doubting something, but I just remembered that that's not what this phrase means. Because ukagao, I feel like means like the doubt. But
Oh,
that's
that's utagao, right?
yeah, very
So
similar
ukagao is
looking.
to like call on or something. It's the
Hmm.
one of the freaking
Yeah.
the humble words that I always screw up. Let's see. But
Katagoshi means to look
katagoshi
over
is
someone's shoulder, so she doesn't have to push him.
okay. So she looked over his shoulder. Let's see. And okay, actually, I don't know what ukagao
It
means in this
means like to
context. So
observe
just
stuff. It's a phrase. Yoshi u
okay.
this is like a phrase. It's like to watch
Okay.
some. It's like a some kind of weird phrase. It basically just means to watch for something, like to see the situation that's going on. To wait and
I
see
see.
is what it's translated as. To doubt the
Okay, so she looked over
contents.
his shoulder to wait and see.
Yeah, just want to go get a little peek-see. 針からは、あ上手つなぎにした玉ねぎ、あん薬草の束、見たこともない、あん根っこを 束ねたものなど、魔法に関係あるらしいものがいくつも吊るしてあります。Definitely words I don't know in this. First off, Hadi. Uh, beam.
I don't know
So
that
on the
kanji
beam,
either. Okay.
on on the beam, there's a bunch of stuff. Like I feel like this is saying spider webs, but it's probably not that. Uh, rosary. That's a weird thing for Howl to have in here. Um,
That's what it is in kanji.
tsumanegi,
Okay.
tsumanegi. Uh,
Like the onion?
oh, it's ta. I don't know why I was writing tsu. What? What?
Wait,
Onions with
wait a
rosary?
second.
He doesn't want
He's
vampires, so
using
no
rosary beads
vampires.
to hold up the.
No vampires. Number one, no vampires. Okay, I got it. That makes sense. Okay, he's got an onion with rosary beads. No vampires. He has a bundle of herbs, and there's also some kind of bundle of like things that kind of seem like some roots she's never seen before, and it must be a whole bunch of different like magical objects that are related to magic in some way. Just kind of all around here. I think that's what tsurushite means. Tsuru, to hang. So yeah, a whole bunch of random magical objects are just hanged around. Okay. He does not like vampires. Gotcha. Next line is for you.
I was very curious to see how the like what the rosary thing was in here.
No,
Um and it
no
just says
vampire.
strings of onions.
Strings of onions.
Yeah, there's
Maybe
no like religious
the
connotation
onions
here.
have been strung as a rosary. Hmm.
So I
Yeah.
guess it's up to interpretation what was used to string up the onions, but that did not come from the
Oh, in its defense, there is if you say juzu tsunagi, it means linking together, tying in a row. So rosary on its own,
wow,
linking together.
I doubly
It's an
learned something new
idiom.
today then.
Now we know it's
All
not
right.
vampires necessarily.
That would have been funnier though. All right, let's see. いかにも魔法使いの持ち物らしいものもあります。was that 表紙
Yep,
革表紙の小物
that'd be my guess.
とか、くねくねした形の瓶とか、茶色のにやけて見える古びた頭蓋骨とか。Ooh, okay, lovely.
Zugeikotsu is
Um,
cranium,
so that's like a skull or something, right?
probably.
Okay. Well, I assume if it's a cranium, then the skull is it's the whole thing, but that could be my assumption.
Yeah,
Uh,
I think it's missing the jaw.
um, I guess we'll find out. So, let's see, kind of. Was it, so there were a lot of. Isn't this like almost the same as the previous sentence?
Yeah,
So like it,
but
there's just a lot of like
the things that
there
look like
are
things that a magician would hold.
right. Oh, as opposed to the herbs that it looks like a magician would have. Okay.
Yeah, that
Let's
seem
see.
related
So
to magic use.
noted. Okay. Then let's see. There's a leather, like a leather covered. Oh, I see. So it's like bundles of paper with like a leather like cover.
Yeah.
For example, kune kune shita.
You know
Like
what a bean is?
coiled or hmm?
Could be coiled. The most important part is the bean.
That's got to be like some sort of like can or bottle or something,
Yeah.
right?
So the bottle's in a weird shape. So kune kune. So
Oh, okay.
it could be coiled. It's just like
It's
that
probably
one
like
bean.
twisted or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So, some twisted shaped bottles
Mm-hmm.
and a brown nyakete something miru. So an old brown skull or cranium, excuse me. I don't know what nyakete is.
Nyakiru says it can mean to be grinning. So it's an old grinning skull.
Okay, well, if it's grinning, I really hope it has the jaw at
Yeah, it
least.
must have the jaw if it's grinning.
Okay.
少年の後ろには暖炉があって、中で小さな炎が燃えています。So behind the boy was a fireplace, and within that fireplace was a small little flame blazing. 外にあれだけの煙が、出ていた割にはちっぽけな炎ですが、それはきっとここが城の裏手の部屋だからでしょ This flame is so tiny compared to like the amount of smoke that was throwing out outside, but that might be because this place right here is that's probably because this right here is our back room, I guess. I feel like it should be saying the opposite, that there is a back room instead of this room here, but it does say koko ga heya da. Right? This is the room that is
Yeah.
the castle's back room. Urate. I guess she entered to the back, if you remember she kept it going
Right.
around. So maybe she's saying the front of the castle has all the smoke, like those trains. Some trains you can go shove in the front for the oil, for the smoke to come out. Next line is for you.
それに、見ているうちに、oh no, that's the wrong one. Let's see.
Oh, that's
Oh
right.
no, it is. Okay. Oh, we have Chippo again.
ティータニー。
ちっぽけだ、ちっぽけだった炎が、パラ色に燃え始め、薪の上で小さな青い炎が踊り出しました。それに見ているうち、so while she was just looking around. So chipoke was in the last one, but I don't actually know what it means.
You know what chichai means?
Like small.
Yeah,
Okay, so this is just a
same
different way
thing.
to say it's a small fire.
Yeah, it sounds
Okay.
like teeny tiny.
Oh, so she's mocking it. Okay.
Yeah, it's kind of sound like
All right.
pathetically small kind of idea.
All right. So this tiny little fire got parairo.
Hmm.
Oh, oh, wait. Rose
Yeah,
for
I
para?
it's must be an irregular reading for it
Oh, okay.
because I wrote parairo and it says barairo is like what pops
Got
up.
it.
So
Okay.
I'm assuming that the dictionary is confident for a reason. Uh, and then I'm like, okay, if you say so. It says it's a spelling error.
Okay, I'm gonna quick check my paper copy and see if that's something that changed. Let's see. Oh, it is Barairo in this. Yeah, that must be a
It's a
typo
spelling
then.
error.
No. Okay. So Barairo ni okay, um so then the tiny little fire was, let's see. Rose. Okay, so it started burning like a rose color.
Red, yeah.
And on top was a tiny little blue flame that started to kind of like flicker or dance around.
うん。さらに暖炉脇の、something には、低い椅子があり、クッションが乗っています。And I have no idea what this waiting chair is. 待つ、something, 席、うー、特別? Wait, that's not 特別. It doesn't look anything like that. How dare you say what I wrote looked like that?
Hokuto?
Etc.? Oh, my first kanji is wrong. That's not waiting. Okay.
Hokuto
Tokuto
seki.
seki. Tokuto seki. Special seat. Okay.
Wow.
So there's a fancy ass seat right next to the fireplace. It is on the specialty location, there exists a low chair, and it has a cushion on it, right in the prime seating location for the fireplace. And next line for you.
Right, Sophie or Shonen or what is that? Waki, yeah, Waki, Waki Oshino Nokeru to Isu me
Mm-hmm.
kakete toshin shimashita. Okay, now she's pushing past him.
Yes.
Okay, so she pushes past him and Megakate. So Megakate is just like the chair that she saw, right? So like she's got like eyes on the prize here, is that right?
Yes. That's
Okay.
specifically eyes on the prize. It means to aim for something.
Okay, yeah. So, because this is the chair that she's been wanting, like a comfy chair in
Yes.
front of a
She's been
fireplace, right?
dreaming about it all day.
All right. And she like, very speedily progressed
Yep.
towards her goal.
Charge! これよ、これ! This is what I wanted!腰を下ろしてゆったりと身を締めた. She sits her butt down and sinks slowly into the chair. 天国みたい。暖炉の火で体の痛みが和らぐし、椅子によかかれるし。It's like I'm in heaven. Not only is the pain in my body being softened from the heat, but also this I was able to get in a chair, I think is what she's saying. I'm gonna double check. Yawaragu. Yep, to soften. And to lean against. And I'm leaning in a chair. Leaning back idea. That makes sense. And then next line will be for you again.
私を、今ここから追い出そうっていうなら、目いっぱい、強力な魔法がいるわよ。Okay. Um, but 追い出そう。So, 追い出そう。
You know what the verb o was?
Yeah, O is to like pursue or catch up
Yeah,
to.
to chase. And dasu, right, is to make
Oh,
something
chase
appear
out.
and chase
Got
out.
it. Okay. Yep. Um, okay, so if sorry, I got stuck. Okay. I don't see if there's like a someone here.
It's
So
probably the young man, right? From
yeah,
the previous lines.
so if someone would wants to like chase me out of well from here, then it's going to take like super strong magic to do so.
Yeah, exactly. 少年は扉を閉め、ソフィーの杖を拾おうと椅子の背に沿っ と立てかけてくれました。The young man closed the door and then he picks up Sophie's staff and leans it against Sophie's chair, specifically the back of the chair. 気がつくと、城は動いている気配がありません。And she just noticed this, but she doesn't feel like the castle is moving at all. おかしいことに、ゴロゴロのゴの字も聞こえず、かすかな振動さえないのです。How strange! She can't even hear the grumbling goro noise in goro goro goro. And she can't even hear a faint sound of movement. That's
Wait, that's a
craziness.
hilarious way to phrase that.
Goro goro no go no is so great. I can't imagine the English version goes anywhere near that peak.
No
Like
way.
the
あ right. 魔法使いに伝えときなさい。城をこれ以上動かしたら、自分の頭の上に崩れ落ちてくるだろうって、ソフィーは少年に話しかけました。Let's see. So please tell this to the wizard. Um, 城これ以上 if you make the castle move more than this, 自分の頭の上に崩れ it's going to come falling down over his own head.
mm-hmm.
Sophie she said to the boy.
Mm-hmm. 城にはバラバラにならないまじないがかけてあります。それに、あいにくハウルさんは、留守、うん、留守番、留守守る What is this?
I think it is just Dusu,
留
right?
守番
Dusu.
Oh, maybe it is just 留守なんです。Oh. You're right. Ooh, okay. So he says there is a magical spell cast on this castle that will make it that it will not become a lump of random goods. And on top of that, right now Lord Howl is not home for I think a little bit. That's what Ainiku means. Unfortunately, sorry, but Howl is not home right now. Can you leave a message? And I think I'll have us stop here to the day so we don't get too
Too
far from
far. Yeah.
everybody.